By 2026, millions of jobs will quietly disappear. Not in the future, not in 10 years. Right now. And the scary part? Most of the people who will be replaced think they're safe because AI isn't coming for factory workers first. It's coming for the educated. Let's talk about who's actually in danger. Number 1, administrative roles, data entry, scheduling, basic coordination. Number 2, customer support agents. Number 3, junior programmers. Number 4, content writers and copywriters. Number 5, basic graphic designers and video editors. And this is just the beginning. Companies don't adopt AI because it's cool. They adopt it because it reduces costs. An AI tool that costs $50 per month can replace tasks done by someone earning thousands. Multiply that across thousands of employees, and companies save billions. In a competitive market, companies that refuse AI will fall behind. That's why they automate quietly. Now here's the twist. The safest jobs aren't necessarily the most technical, they're the most human. Jobs that require emotional intelligence, complex decision-making, high-level strategy, leadership, or physical presence. Examples include surgeons, skilled trades, executives, psychologists. AI can assist them, but it cannot fully replace them. The winners of this shift will be people who adapt fast, people who build leverage, people who combine creativity with AI. The losers? Those who ignore it. The AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here. The only question left is, will you be replaced, or will you be the one using the replacement?